Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Gildo Glass Dildo number 5. So let's get started. So this is the Gildo Glass Dildo number 5 itself. As you can see, this is not your standard dildo and it's a very unique shape and look as well. This is perfect for men and women who are looking for a quality stimulating dildo. This is made of glass and is fantastic. It has a ribbed shaft and, as you can see, a blue spiral all the way throughout the shaft, giving it a very elegant look as well. It's curved and has a rounded head just here, meaning it's perfect for both G-spot and P-spot stimulation as well, so it's suitable for vaginal and anal stimulation and can be used by both men and women. It features a wide base just here, and it's also suitable for temperature play, meaning you can place this in warm water to enjoy warmer sensations, or you can also pop it in cold water to enjoy cooler sensations. The choice is up to you. Because the material is also made of glass, it makes it suitable to use with any type of lubricant. For example, you could use it with a water-based lubricant, or you could also use it with a silicone-based lubricant for optimal comfort during use. Make sure to clean the dildo after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Also included is a Gildo luxury toy bag where you can pop your number 5 dildo in. This helps to keep it dust free and discreet. And that is the Gildo Glass Dildo number 5. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.